We will be making chicken soup with rice and tomato paste today. I am pouring a teaspoon of salt into a pot of 800 milliliters of water. I have 1.5 chicken thighs and I marinated them with tomato paste and olive oil yesterday. They have been marinating for 24 hours now. I am placing them in the pot. I am placing the thighs as a whole. When they cook, you can leave them as they are or remove the bones and pull the meat. I am also adding the olive oil and tomato paste that I used to marinate the chicken from yesterday. This would elevate the taste of the soup. With its lid on, I am placing the pot on the stove. After it boils for 15 minutes, I am adding the rice to it. I am using 100 milliliters of it, but you can use more if you would like more of it. When I add the rice, I put the heat to the lowest setting. The rice would be cooked in 7 to 8 minutes. At that point, the soup would be ready too. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel.